Just add salt to the dish soap and you're going to thank me. This is really amazing. That's right, everyone. I'm sure you've never used dish soap this way before, but once you find out why it's for, I'm sure you want to try it at home. So first, take a container. Then add 6 ounces of dish soap. I'm using this yellow one, but you can use whatever you have at home. So let's go ahead and add here 6 ounces of dish soap. All right, once you're done that, now we're going to need salt, just regular kitchen salt. All right, let's add 2 tablespoons of salt. Now give it a mix. Now let's also add baking soda. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now give it a mix. Once that's done, we're going to finish it off with 6 ounces of water, okay? At room temperature, so water in. Let's mix it again. And now our mixture is ready. And now we're going to need an empty container. I'm using the dish soap bottle for this. And let's go ahead and transfer all this mixture to the container. Then just close it up and it's ready. And here, folks, what did we just make? This is one of the best homemade products for cleaning and giving the aluminum a nice shine. That's right. So you can use this product to clean and give shine to all kinds of aluminum in your house, especially your pans. For example, take a look at how this pan is. It's full of burn marks. Also, I spilled some here. Usually, when a pan is like this, people just simply throw it away. No, but you don't have to do that. First, take a homemade product, then add a little bit to the sponge. You don't need to add too much because this product is already really powerful. Now, just go ahead and scrub the pan really well. And look at that, folks. It's really impressive. And besides cleaning, it'll give a beautiful shine to any aluminum pan. And you don't even need to put in much effort for that. And now check this out. Let's see the result. Wow, it's truly incredible. An extremely cheap and useful product. Look at this. You can also use it to clean the sink tub if it's made of aluminum like this one. And check this out. It removes all kinds of dirt. It's amazing. So that's it, folks. Try this at home. I'm sure you're going to love the result. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. See you in the next video. Bye.